Power of barriers in time management for investors. Hello and welcome to Investing Catch-up channel, where we discuss many topics related to investing and finance. Today we will talk about the power of barriers for time management for investors. Investing in the stock market requires time and effort to research, analyze and monitor investments. However, with our busy lives, finding time to manage our investments can be a challenge. That's where the power of barriers come into play. By setting up barriers, we can make it easier to focus on our investments and manage our time effectively. Without further ado, let's dive into the power of barriers for time management for investors. Time blocking. Time blocking is a technique used for scheduling multiple specific blocks of time for different tasks. By setting aside dedicated time for researching and analyzing investments, investors can eliminate distractions and focus on their investments. Reduce distractions. Distractions can be a significant hindrance to effective time management. By reducing distractions, investors can increase their productivity and focus on their investments. This can be done by turning off notifications, closing unnecessary tabs, and finding a quiet space to work. Use technology. Technology can be a powerful tool for time management. Investors can use apps and software to automate tasks, track investments, and receive alerts. This can help investors stay on top of their investments without dedicating excessive time and effort. Set goals. Setting goals can help investors prioritize their time and effort. By setting achievable goals, investors can focus on their investments and avoid wasting time on unnecessary tasks. Remember to use checklists. Checklists can help investors stay organized and on track. By creating a checklist of tasks that need to be done, investors can ensure that they are making progress on their investments and not forgetting any critical steps. Delegate your tasks. Investors can also delegate tasks to free up their time for more critical tasks. This can be done by hiring a financial advisor or using investment management services. In conclusion, the power of barriers can help investors manage their time effectively and focus on their investments. By implementing techniques such as time blocking, reducing distractions, using technology, setting goals, using checklists, and delegating tasks, investors can make the most of their time and achieve their investment goals. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more investment related content. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.